How to uninstall or reinstall the Vita app. First of all, open Settings on your device and scroll down until you find Apps or App Management. Tap on it and from the list of installed apps, look for Vita. Once you find it, tap on the Vita app to open its details page. Here you will see several options including Uninstall. Tap on Uninstall and when the confirmation message appears, tap OK to remove the app from your device. If you want to reinstall the Vita app, open Play Store. Then tap on the search button at the bottom right corner and in the search bar type Vita. Make sure you select the correct one Vita developed by Snow Corporation. After the app page opens, tap Install to start downloading it again. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the Vita app right away. Now you know how to uninstall or reinstall the Vita app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.